Good morning, class 10th. So today we start the exercise 1.3. Question number 1. Prove that root 5 is irrational. This question is very important. So 3 questions are there only in the exercise. So this we can prove by the contradiction method. What is the contradiction method? I assume something which is wrong, already wrong. Okay. So look at this. Prove that root 5 is irrational number. I start let root 5 is an rational number. I written rational number. That root 5 is a rational number. Is not an. Root 5 is a rational number. I assume this one. After that, I assume let us assume that A upon B are rational number where B is not equals to 0. We all know when the rational number is there, down one is not equals to 0, and they have A and B are co-prime. Co-prime means what? Which have common factor 1 only. Other than 1, no common factor is there. So A and B are co-prime. They have common factor other than 1. So they have the common factor other than 1 only. So they are co-prime. After that, which I assume root 5 is equal to rational number. This is a rational number and A upon B is also rational number. So I can write this one. Then what I do, B will be moved here. A is equals to root 5 B. Then squaring both the side. So A square is equals to 25 B square. This is written, it means what? 25, sorry 5 will come only because root is there na. A square is equals to 5B square. 25 will not come. A square is equals to 5B square. So we can write therefore A square is divisible by 5. Means A square is divisible by 5. Then only this statement came. It means what? A square we can divide by the 5. If I put any number here like 1, so 5 into 1, A is divided by 5. A square is divisible, and it means what? A is also divisible, and it can be said that A is divisible by 5. After that, what I assume, let one more thing, A is equals to 5k, where k is an integer. I put this value A is equals to 5k in the equation number 1. Put in 1. So 5k is equals to 5b square. Square of this is 25k square is equals to 5b square, and this 5 will go there. 25 upon 5k square is equals to b square is 5, means 5k square is equals to b square. So same one more thing I can write here. Therefore here A square is divisible and here B square is divisible. Now B square is also divisible by 5 and B is also divisible now. B is also divisible by 5. Means A is also divisible by 5. B is also divisible by 5. Both numbers are divisible by 5. It means what? This implies that A and B have 5 as a common factor. First, what I said, only they have common factor 1. 1 is the common factor only, not other than. 1 is the common factor as 1 only. So co-prime are the numbers who have common factor 1 only. Sorry, this is written on other than 1 is not. Now they have the common factor 5 also. First I said 1 is the common factor, then they have 5 also common factor. It means what? So this is contradiction to the fact that A and B are co-prime. Hence, root 5 is a irrational number. Clear this one? So one more thing, I explained this one whole question again, listen it carefully. First is what? We have to prove root 5 is a rational number. Let us assume that A and B are the rational number where B is not equal to 0 and A and B are co-prime. Co-prime are numbers, they have the common factor 1 only. And root 5 is equals to A upon B. A is equals to root 5B. Squaring both the side, A square is equals to 5B square. Then therefore A square is divisible by 5, and it can be said that A is divisible by 5 also. Then I take A is equals to 5k, k is an integer, put in first equation, then 5k whole square, 5b square, then 5k square is equals to b square came. Now b square is also divisible by 5 and b is also divisible by 5. This implies that A and B have 5 as a common factor. First I said 1 is the common factor, then 5 is also common factor. So our contradiction, our assumption, we can say that our assumption is also wrong. A and B are co-prime, so root 5 is a rational number. I think this question is clear now. Thank you class. So tomorrow we'll do the question number 2nd and 3rd one.